Let's talk through some examples of predicting numeric and non-numeric outcomes. We'll use these examples throughout the rest of the lesson. Let's use 3 examples: a tricycle manufacturer, a marketing organization, and a bank. For our first example, imagine that a manufacturer wants to use historical production data to know how many tricycles they'll need to produce over the next 6 months to meet expected demand. Since the outcome the manufacturer wants to predict is a number, then the target variable is numeric. Therefore, they would use a numeric or regression model to solve this problem. For our second example, Hot and Fresh Pizza wants to use sales data from their existing stores and respective demographic data around those stores to predict how many pizzas they'll sell at their new store location. Since the outcome that Hot and Fresh Pizza is trying to predict is the number of pizzas, then the target variable is numeric, and they would use a numeric or regression model to solve this problem. And for our third example, a bank wants to use historical data of their clients to predict whether a new customer will default on a loan, always pay on time, or sometimes pay. Since the outcome the bank is trying to predict is a category that the new customer will fall into, they would use non-numeric or classification models to solve this problem.